Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So the Aussie has had a very, very weak month, as you can see, and it definitely does look like a 1, 2, 3 pattern up. So it probably is going to eventually go down and retest these lows, maybe even go down and test this low. We'll have to keep an eye on it because I'm still not really ruling out the possibility that it does go up and make that wave Y. But I'm just going to go with the flow, and the flow is definitely telling us to look for sorts. Going down to the weekly time frame, we are pretty much all the way back at that structure. Now, this first move down, I would assume would be a wave 1, but it could be a wave A. Most wave 1s, wave A's do end around the previous structure level, so it does seem likely at some point it's going to go up and make a crescent, then either go down and make a wave C and then go up like that, or go down and make a wave 3, which is probably more likely at this point, and end up looking like that. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, most wave 1s or wave A's do end at the previous structure level, which is right where we're at right now. So I think there is a good chance that it could go up maybe in the next few trading days and start a pretty good move to the upside, which would most likely be a crescent to this move down. So the move down would be an A or 1, the move up would likely be a B or a 2, and then eventually back down for a 3 or a wave C. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think that we can move our structure level all the way down to the most recent swing high, because this is definitely all lower lows, lower highs. I think the 8 hours tuned a little bit better, but this is definitely looking good, which is great news for us because now we have a much closer structure level, which I think will confirm that this move down, A or 1, is complete once we get that break of structure. So taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we definitely do not have any evidence that this is over yet. And you have to realize that until we actually have evidence that this is over, this thing could easily go down more. It could easily make another three-way pullback, maybe another Fibonacci bounce, and just keep on trending down. I personally will not be looking for buys until I get a break of structure to the upside. Even if I do see a break of this little structure right here, that doesn't mean trend reversal. The only thing that's going to tell me trend reversal is a nice break and hold above this structure right here. Otherwise, if I do see a three-way pullback, I definitely will be taking it as another sorting opportunity. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.